Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear student, grade 4. This is chapter 7, lesson 2, formatting text in MS Word. Previously, I have explained the meaning of formatting, and I said that the formatting means the appearance of your text in your document. Today, inshallah, in this lesson, we will be able to learn how to align our text in our document and how to apply borders and shading. Well, alignment is the manner which text is placed between the margins of your page. Okay, I mean to say it is aligned left to the page or center to the page or right to the page. Let's see, let's go to Microsoft Word here, and we have some text typed. To align the text, okay, we just have to click by the mouse at the beginning of our paragraph, and then we can choose center alignment or right alignment or left alignment, and that's what we mean with the text alignment. Next is how to apply borders and shading, and that is our main subject today. To make a border, just you have to highlight the text where you want to make the border, and in the home tab, okay, there in the paragraph group, under the home tab, you just have to click on the borders and shading, and there is a drop down menu here. You have to go to borders and shading. At this dialog box here, we have borders menu and page border, and we have here also shading. Previously we have learned about the page border. Now we have to make the border around the text, not around the page. So if we click on borders, we can choose the border from here, the thickness of the border and the color of the border. Okay, let's say that we click on 2.5 border, and we'll click like it's a box. For example, choose box in the settings and click OK. Then the text will look like this. It will look like it's in the box. This is all about border. Now shading. To make shading is I have to highlight the paragraph and click on again borders and shading, and go to shading tab and choose the shading from here, the color of your shading. For example, I want the color of my shading to be an orange color, and here is the clarity, solid or 5% or 10, 15%, 20%. that is the pattern, style and color, right? And let's say OK. The text will look like this, and this is what we call shading in Microsoft Word. Thank you very much, and that was the lesson for today.